Okay, so we're as ready as we're ever going to be. This leather has flattened. Notice it's starting to fail here and here, so I'm right up against the limits of what this leather's willing to put up with, bluntly. But this is the back of the book, this is the front. There or thereabouts. So I'll put glue on the surface of this paper here. No glue here on the bindings. And what we're going to do now is put this leather that I put lashings of, it's wet and I've put lashings of glue around, so we're going to slide this in and hope it behaves. Honestly, this is the bit I'm most nervous about, because I don't want anything to get in the way of the leather, but on the other hand, I don't want this leather to fail. And it's just icky and messy as well as we do. Okay, that's actually pretty good. Just literally just cut my way through, as it were. Okay. Okay, first side is in. Now what we're going to do is fold her over, like that. Slide it in this side, which is where the leather's most vulnerable. So I'm most nervous about doing this here. Because I also have to apply quite a bit of force here as well. Get this leather to behave. Lift her up. Start the process of folding over. You want to just actually pull her down very slightly. There we go, so I have a little bit more to play with on this bottom end. A few of these guys, which are of course very not the original contraptions that would have been used 400 years ago, but needs must. Mindful that with this is to just keep flipping from side to side, just working at it, getting each better and better as we go.